This is the independent practice for 6.5. Hopefully you've tried these problems. Let's go to them. Number 1, we have two expressions. We want to see if they are equivalent, if they are equal, and if they are, which property is applied. If not, explain why. Number 1, I see 8, 27, 52, 8, 27, 52, plus, 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 plus. Are they equivalent? Yes. They're the same numbers. They're all adding. They have them in different groupings, but that's okay because of the associative property. Okay. Number 2, we have 3 times 6 times 9, and on the other side we have 3 times 6 times 9. They're grouped differently, but because they're multiplication, they are equivalent. Again, because of the associative property. Okay? Now, let's look at number 3. 72, 63, 8. 72, 63, 8. Same order. Grouped. These first, those first. Let's see. Thing I notice is subtraction. That changes the whole ballgame. So no. Now let's do it. 63 minus 8 is 55. And then I bring down the 72. 72 minus 55 equals 17. So on this side it's 17. Let's see what we get here. 72 minus 63, that's going to give me 9. Bring down my 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 17 and 1 not equal. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Division. Division. Looks like it might be associative property, but associative property doesn't work with division, doesn't work with subtraction. Let's solve it. I'm pretty sure they're not equal. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 36, bring that down. 36 divided by 4 is 9. This side is 9. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 and 1 not equal. Okay. 0 plus 32, is that equal to 0? Well, no. The identity property says if you add something to 0, it is the other number, not 0. So this would be 32 on this side to make it an equal expression. Alrighty, let's go on. Number 6. Use or find the perimeter of the triangle shown. And I'm going to use a little bit of associative property to figure this out. I'm going to circle some things I like. I like that half there, and I like that half there. So I'm going to make that 1. And I'm going to add it to this 4 plus this 6, which is 10, and then plus that 5. So 4.5 plus 5.5 plus 6 looks more complex than 1 plus 10 plus 5. That is 16 inches. Okay? Associative property tells me I can group things differently and put them together and get the correct answer. Okay. Number 7. Each day about 75,000 people visit Paris. Use the commutative property to write two equivalent expressions that could be used to define the number of people that visit over a 5-period day. So it's 75,000 a day times 5. That's one way to figure it out. And commutative property tells me I can go in either order. So how about 5 times 75,000? Okay? That's the commutative property. Let's see here. We have 8. Use one or more properties to rewrite each expression as an expression that does not use parentheses. Okay. So, on this one, because I could add all these together, except for the y. But I can add 1 and 4 together, so I'm going to be y plus 5. Y plus 5 is the same as y plus 1 plus 5. I'm just using a property to say I can do that. Okay. Number 9. 6 times r times 7. So I can put this and this together. I can times these together and then times it by that r, which I'm not sure what's going to be. I know 6 times 7 is 42r. It's a different expression, but it'll be the same. So the way I can check this is, what if r is 2? I'm going to say r equals 2. Let's see if it works in both. So 42 times 2, that would be 84. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you how this works. And 6 times 2 times 7. Oops, I don't need that. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. They do equal. So no matter what r is, it's going to be the same. Okay? Now, let's look at 10. We want to find the value of x that makes this a true statement. 24 plus what equals 24? Well, I know that anything plus 0 is the other number. So if this is 0, then 24 will be that side. So x equals 0. On this one, we have 3 plus 17. I have 17 plus, based on the commutative property, that could be a 3. X equals 3. All right? So that is the independent practice. Go ahead and try the extra practice. And don't forget to submit the Google form. And let me know if you have any questions.